Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making some simple and easy saltfish fritters. My ingredients are some saltfish, some crushed pepper flakes, black pepper. I'm also going to use 1 tablespoon baking powder, and the baking powder is to just make my saltfish fritters light and fluffy. I also have my vegetables that I'm going to use. I am going to use some tomatoes, thyme, onion, scallion, some colored bell pepper. I'm also going to use some scotch bonnet and a few crushed garlic. Now it's time to prep my saltfish. So I'm going to boil my saltfish for 15 to 20 minutes. Then I'm going to place in some cold water, remove the scales and the bones, because you don't want to be eating your saltfish fritters and you have bones sticking you in the mouth. So I will do this off camera, and then I will proceed to add my saltfish to the rest of ingredients. Now I am going to incorporate all the ingredients in my bowl, and I'm going to add my water and mix until I get the consistency that I want. Now that I achieve the consistency that I want, it's time for frying. Now you don't want your saltfish batter to be too watery or too thick. Now this is the consistency, it's in between. Now I'm going to pour my cooking oil. You want just enough cooking oil so they can fry, or if you have a deep fry you may utilize that. Now I'm going to add my saltfish fritters using the 1/4 cup measuring cup, just to try and get even size for my fritters. I am going to allow my fritters to fry on both sides until they are golden brown, after which I'll remove and place on a piece of napkin to absorb the excessive oil. I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is. But you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? That last on my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I. Now I'm just going to repeat the process of frying the remaining butter. So this is the finished product of my saltfish fritters. They are delicious and ready to eat, full of flavor. You guys can have these saltfish fritters for breakfast. You know, if you're at home and feel for something to eat, you can do some saltfish fritters. So if you like my recipe, just leave a comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're new, and until next time, stay safe.